So today I'm going to be showing you the transmission jack from Harbor Freight. This is their 2,000 pound transmission jack because I'm putting this NV 5600 heavy duty transmission back in my dually. Usually with any other transmission I can just wrestle them in there, but this guy is not going to happen. You need a hydraulic jack. So my buddy here, Weston, if he can keep his stuff together, he's going to show you how easy it is to jack this thing up, and I'll show you some of the other stuff you can do with it too. It's really nice. I like it. So go ahead, Wes, jack it up for him. There you go, buddy. So yeah, this thing literally weighs, honestly, like 600-700 pounds. I'm not sure. I mean, it's insane. Yeah, it's cast iron. So I tried to get it up there different ways. It wasn't happening. But as you can see, here, I'll take that, bud.
No, I got it.
You got it? Yeah. As you can see, little kid can jack it up. And then these little spindles or whatever, it will actually, it twists and yaws the transmission forward and up and back. So when you get it in there, it's really easy to align. So I'll show you how to do that here. You can see it. Because I put this extra strap on just to make sure, but it has 4 metal posts here to make sure it locks into place or doesn't tilt over, and it has a chain strap too. Yeah, that's good, bud.
I got it.
It's all the way up. It can go up, I think, 30 some inches, so it should slide right under the truck and right in there. But once you get it up there, like I said, there's these spindles or nuts and bolts or whatever. You can turn it, it'll twist your transmission around so you can get it lined up with the bell housing and such. And let it down and just. But this jack here, it weighs over 100 pounds itself, so it's heavy duty. So I'll get some of my crap cleared out of the way and get her in there. Alright, so one thing nice about this jack is all 4 wheels turn like a shopping cart, and I was able to slide her right under here. So let's see if we can get this big ass heavy transmission into place. Yes, for many transmissions as I did, like I should have got this jack a long time ago. Let's make it a lot easier, even on the smaller ones. So I got to do my T56 and my GTO, so at least I'll get to use it there too, I guess. But if you got a coupon for one of these, definitely worth it. Alright, well, I'm going to finish buttoning her in there. Kind of hard to do that and film at the same time, so, but I will show you afterwards once I get it done, or in there. So I was finally able to get the transmission back up in there with that jack. It was a big help. It made it a lot easier. I'll show you how it works since I got this out of here. It'll be easier to show you how you can adjust it. So yeah, it lifts heavy transmissions up or whatever. But this will tilt. I'll straighten this plate out here. So this, you can turn this and you can see it. Twist the whole transmission side to side, and then this one tilts it forward and back. So when I got the transmission up in there straight, and I got the input shaft through the clutch into the flywheel there, got it lined up. One of the bolt holes were just a little bit off, so I was able to twist it and lined it right up and got it right in there. So I'm gonna put my transfer case on here and use it for that. But yeah, it's very helpful tool.